What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets 30 seconds or less a day, guys. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do this. It only takes about 30 seconds a day to do it, so there's literally no reason to do it. It's a little bit of time, you know what I mean? And the reason we promote the $25 business in particular is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month, so you can get multiple sales off of just one sale. And so that's the reason we promote that product in particular. And all right guys, and it's just the easiest way to promote. All right, it's the easiest. 30 seconds a day, that's all you really need once you set it up. All right, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, we're gonna look at our results first. And it looks like we did get a sale yesterday, $20 sale. All right, guys, remember that $20 sale doing this method. All right, and we've been making money with this method for a long time. We got $7,000. We made $7,000 so far, and we're gonna refresh the page, just show you that these are real numbers and you guys can trust these numbers. It's very easy to change these numbers to whatever I want them to look like. So I could put like $700,000 here, sit. I can change all that if I really wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna refresh the page so you guys can be crystal clear that these are real results. All right, as you can see, these are indeed real results, guys.
Nice.
Which is totally cool. We did get a sale, and we're doing good here. So anyway guys, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what to do. First and foremost, you need to get your links, and before I show you how to do that, I want to show you the link that I particularly use. This is the link that I use, guys, in particular. All-in-one business sales letter $25 package. It's the one that I use in particular, guys. You can use any link that you want. All right, but this is the one that I use. It works really well for me. All right, so that's really cool. So the first thing I want to do, guys, is get you guys to go to my description on my video here that you're watching right now. You go to my description, you're gonna see step 1 says incomespeaks.com. all right, step 1, you click on that link. It's gonna take you to this page here. Now what this page here is, the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, so on and so forth, right? And ultimately, if you're interested in the product, the $25 business, if you're interested in the product, this is what it's essentially a funnel builder. And what a funnel builder is a series of websites to get you to buy whatever it is you want people to buy, right? Now, the most popular funnel builder out there is ClickFunnels. It's over $100 a month. This is only $25 a month, so you're saving a ton of money moving over to this system. All right, so it's a really good product. All right, and another thing is it sales $20, like I just showed you guys. You can also get $100 monthly commission as well, so you can make $120 per month per customer, guys. All right, that's the potential. Get 10 people to do that, that's rent money. All right, and that's all bills in some of the southern states, some of the more southern states. And yeah, all right, so yeah, that's a really good deal. And yeah, they also get a charity if you're interested in that. Now what we're gonna do though, we're gonna decide, hey, we want to try this out. It's a bunch of information you want to read over it, but we want to try this out. We're gonna click on yes, I want in, right? And once we click on that, you just put in basic information, blah blah blah, whatever, right? Now one thing I want to show you guys before you keep going, I want to show you this here. This right here is HBA Premium. If you use my link, you can get it for 14 days for free. All right, now what this is all about is how to promote the product on different websites, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, whatever it may be, right? And this information is constantly updated. We find stuff that works better. Some rules change. Like something on TikTok that worked last year is not gonna work this year. So on and so forth. So this is the type of program that you kind of want to have if you want to buy a course. You should have something that constantly updates. Because if you bought a TikTok course for like $5,000 last year, it's useless now because rules change, especially if they don't continue to update it. If they don't continue to update it, it's useless now, guys. All right, it's just like that. It's just that simple. Okay, so that's really cool. Now, one more thing I want to show you guys is that it also has an AI content creation machine that's going to help you create content. You know, you ask it to give you a title or something like that. Help you out. And yeah, you get the product, you say you want to try this out, click on it. All right, boom. Now, I'm going to show you the method in which you can promote this product extremely fast, guys. To create these emails extremely fast. Okay, guys? So, go to My Legion, it's here. Click on it. Boom. Click on the second link on my video, guys. I'm sorry, I skipped something. Sorry about that. But yeah, you go to my second link, you're gonna see something like Join My Legion Secrets. Click on this link. You click on it, it's gonna take you to this page here. Now, what is My Legion? Basically, you get 100 leads for every day that you can email once per day. So that's what we're gonna do here. We're just gonna log in. You make your account, blah blah blah. So you want to click on mailing system. So also check out your leads. They're all from NA. They're cold leads, so you gotta constantly email them now. But you'll get sales. These are real people. You get sales. I was skeptical at first, but I keep getting sales from this, so I get sales. You know what I mean? But so it does work. So we're gonna go with the next email that we're gonna use here. As you can see, I got a ton of emails in the system, and once you do that, you know, email them. Come here. All you really need to do is come here, pick an email, go. That's why I say this only takes 30 seconds a day. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna give you my email that I'm gonna pick this one, promote it. All right, that's the email that we're gonna use. Now we're gonna say perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time that people check email. You're gonna hit preview. Now this is the email, guys. If you want to pause the video and copy the email, you can if you want to. All right. And if you, what I might do, what I'm thinking of doing is putting it in the description so you can just copy from there. But this is the email that I'm gonna send, and every email that I send, I'm gonna just have it in the description for you guys. Okay. All right. So don't even need to copy it. So one thing you want to do in this is to check and see if your link works. My link does work, and once you got that all in, you just send it. Like I say, 30 seconds a day. Once you got a ton of emails in the system, it's just that simple, guys. Really, really good. Now you got to be consistent, guys. That's the #1 way to make money online. Consistency. Keep posting. Keep posting. Keep doing what you're doing. You got to keep it up. You got to keep it up. Eventually, it's gonna work, and it's gonna work magnificently. Honestly, most things they put out there, it works. It just takes a while sometimes. This works. I make a lot of money doing it. I got a lot of extra money coming in from it, and it only takes me about 15-30 seconds a day. So I'm just showing you guys the method of which I do that with. And yeah, guys, if you're interested, like I said, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.